Alec. I'm a rising sophomore at Homestead High School, and for my starter project I chose the MintyBoost battery charger, which basically just converts power from the batteries into the USB port to the connected device. I chose the MintyBoost battery charger because I thought it would be easy to make and useful to use at home. The majority of the components on the MintyBoost circuit board are used to convert power from the battery pack to the USB port to the device. For example, the electrolytic capacitors smooth input and output voltage with the help of the ceramic capacitors. The boost converter chip ups the voltage while lowering the current. The rest of the components are used for smaller, less important tasks, like the resistors are used to figure out what kind of charger is connected, and the diode in the D1 spot is used to make sure that that power only flows from the battery pack into the connected device and not the other way around. The battery pack contains two AA batteries with a 1.5 voltage, and together they have a voltage of 3, and with the components mentioned beforehand, that goes up to 5, which can go into the battery pack. Some struggles I had with making this was that the resistors in the R2 and R4 slots, they wouldn't sit flat on the circuit board, so I ended up just kind of jamming them in there and soldering them in and hoping that would work, and it did. And another struggle I faced was that I soldered in the USB port while the batteries were still connected, so the batteries got really hot, and yeah, that could have been dangerous, and it's a miracle that it didn't explode. Overall, I think that making this was good practice for soldering, and it helped me get used to the BlueStem environment. Again, I'm Alec, and thank you for listening.